crazy year. We were able to build a workshop and get a lot of projects done. Let's come check it out. So please excuse the mess. The shop is still under construction. As you can see, we're still working on the floor. We have a lot of wiring to do and setting up and organizing. The Barracuda is underway, as you can see. But I'm really excited to show you what 2021 is going to bring. It's going to be a wild year. All right, guys, so in 2021, I plan on putting a lot of aero parts on the MR2, switching it from drag to autocross / time attack. I'm going to get some RPF 1s and different suspension components. I'm also going to do a roll cage. Like I said, I want to compete in first autocross and then work my way up into time attack with it. So it'll be going from drag racing to more of a street strip track car. All right, guys, as far as the orange bus goes, I don't even think you've seen this in any videos yet. Actually, perhaps with my last video, but it only got like 100 views. But this is the orange bus that my dad and I are restoring. Does not have a motor yet. Our plans are to finish the interior, get the motor in it, do all the electrical, and get it running. And probably the most exciting part of 2020 was getting the Barracuda semi-finished. There's still a lot of work to do on it. Let's take a look. All right, so starting with the front end, working back, obviously all the chrome and stainless was hydro-dipped carbon. Working into the engine bay. It is a small block, 440 cubic inch with a Holley Super Sniper EFI. Turned out pretty good. We had the engine bay obviously painted to match the body color. Okay. Put the hood down so we can get a better view. Has the 6-pack low power hood scoop on it. As all the old Dodges did. And we're working down to the wheels. Weld RTS wheels with wood brakes. It has the RMS suspension kit. That's Riley Motorsports. And working to the interior. All right, so like I said, it's a mess, but there's still a lot of wiring to be done. The engine does turn over with the key, but I still have to wire up the Holley EFI and pretty much all the engine wiring as well. As I said, we got the carbon fiber accents here. The shifter is mounted and hooked up. That's a PPP Precision Performance Products shifter. The transmission is a 518 from Cope Racing, so it is an automatic. As you can see up here, we have the parachute mount with the cable going to the back. It's got a full roll cage. Eventually, when I go faster, I'm going to do a bird cage around the driver's head. It does have a full interior that still needs to be put together. All right, moving to the trunk where the fuel cell is located. If I recall, it's a 16-gallon fuel cell. Don't quote me on that, but I believe it was. It has an Aeromotive trifecta in there, which is 3 450s in the tank, which should provide plenty of fuel. I think they're rated for like 3,000 horse or something crazy like that. All right, guys, and moving towards the back of the car, there is a 9-inch Mauser with the Viking coilovers. It's a 4-link. You can see the subframe connectors starting over here. Then we'll work towards the front of the car and I'll show you a little bit of that. Then here's a better view of up front. It's again that RMS suspension with a Viking coilover. All right, so that has been a quick overview of the Barracuda. It is almost race ready and roadworthy. 2021 is going to be a crazy year for it. I'm very excited to get it on the road and show you guys more content of it. But for now, let's go outside and check out some of the projects I have outside. All right, so I just checked online and you guys haven't seen this thing in like a year and a half. So let me show you what's new. The interior is all finished. Just in case you didn't hear me, the interior is all finished. We got all new carpet. It's pretty nice in there. Looks pretty modern. We've already brought this camping quite a few times, and it does great. I want to do the Daytona 500 with it. It's pretty comfortable for 2 to 3 people. Dries pretty good. When we're camping, we have solar panels that we put up, so we can be pretty off-grid. We have the small trailer for all the camping gear that goes behind the bus. It's kind of like a coffin size, so if I don't like any of my friends, I can just kind of shove them in there. Watch out. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. So I'll see you next year, 2022. Just kidding, hopefully not.